These are my go-to gifts that I will be bringing to all of my parties this year. These are the perfect affordable gifts for anyone, teachers, coworkers, best friends. I'm so excited to be partnering with Maybelline and Target to show you guys these because getting gifts can be very stressful. The first gift set is the Lifter Lip Duo. This comes with two of my favorite Maybelline lip products. It comes with the Lifter Liner. The shade is Line Leaner. Look how smooth that glides on the lips. They're so pigmented and I feel like pair with any makeup look. If you have not tried the Lifter Gloss, you need to. I think this might be the best affordable gloss on the market. This is shade Gummy Bear. If you're a mascara lover, this is the perfect gift set. This is the Holiday Sparkle Kit. Comes with the Sky High mascaras and a lifter gloss. Of course, we have the original Blackest Black Sky High mascara. And we have Space Diamond. This is really cute. I'm gonna add a little bit of this just to my lower lashes. It's really gonna give the eyes just a little sparkle. Now, just gonna top off the lips with Pearl. This shade is to die for. Our last kit, we have the mini mascaras. This is perfect for anybody that's on the go. This kit, we have Sky High, Great Lash, and also Firework. I don't know if anybody else feels nostalgia with Great Lash, but this was the mascara that my mom used when I was growing up, so I'd always steal it from her. I feel like this will be a perfect gift for her. All right, you guys, here is the final look. Let me know what you guys think and make sure you grab these sets before they sell out this year.